Okay guys, welcome back to another episode of facepalmfishing. So today is a slightly different episode as I'm gonna show you how you guys can tie the bread flies that we use in auto, as some may have requested on how we tie it. So we start off with the rabbit zonkers, which is this one right here. So basic fly fishing, you just firstly you thread your hook. So start threading the hook. So I have actually friends coming up to ask me on how I tie this fly, so we thought it'd be nice to make a video so we can show everyone instead. Okay, so after that, I'll take the rabbit zonker. So they'll face one direction, right? So I put it as much to the bend as possible so I can cover as much of the hook. So normally I'll just wrap one round, pull on it a bit, give it one more round, and after that bring it to the back. Okay. Then from there I'll just slowly make my way and start wrapping and pushing the feathers because the fur is going outward, right? So I'm gonna slowly push it, make sure I wrap in this way. So I push the furs outwards as I wrap. At the start it may not look very glamorous because of the low amount of fur, but as it slowly builds up, then it'll start to look more like a proper bread fly. So as I'm about to reach the end here, I'll stop it off. So you can see how this starts to look like a proper small piece of bread already. So I found the end where I want to stop at. Now I'll use the thread to tighten it off. Then if you guys have this kind of scissors, right, the fly tying one, I advise not use it. I advise to use just a regular pair of cutters or scissors, because this is actually more meant for your fine thread. So you do not want to like blunt out the blade. Okay, there, I've cut off the NI one. Then I'm just gonna tighten all the loose ends down. Okay, then I'll use the whip finish. You can do this with your hand also, but if you have this tool, you can use it. So if you do your hand, it'll be making it look like this. And just tighten it down. Okay. Then so here technically you have a bread fly already. So what I'll do before I end off this fly, right, I'll actually use fluorescent hard head hardener so it like tightens down lah. Because what I've been told is if you actually use super glue, the fish can somewhat sense the super glue. So so this one doesn't have a scent, so it's like much safer to use. So because the brush is too thick for me, right, so I'm gonna use a simple safety pin. I'll just dab off a bit, take off a bit. Okay. Now just dab it onto the thread, the end here. This method can also be used for, it doesn't apply just to fly fishing. You can use it for jigging or anything that requires you to tie. Yeah, mainly for those who do jigging, you can use this fluorescent hide also. So once I've applied it, what I'll normally do, right, is I'll actually use a hair dryer to heat it up. Then I use a hair dryer lah. So like just heat up the fly. So after a bit more of using the hair dryer, you actually heat up the hard head on the fly. So just tie it on your line and you're ready to go.